So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable Wi-Fi Auto Reconnect on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36 and A56. So the first step is to open the Settings app. Then you want to select Connections. Tap on Wi-Fi, and then next to the Wi-Fi network that you're currently connected to, tap on the Settings icon to view the network information. From here, you should see the option Auto Reconnect with a toggle next to it. So all you need to do to disable Auto Reconnect is just tap on the toggle like that. And now, whenever your phone detects that Wi-Fi network, it won't connect to it automatically. What you'll need to do is simply navigate to your Wi-Fi settings, select the network so that you can be able to use that network on your phone. However, if you want to enable Auto Reconnect so that whenever it detects the Wi-Fi network, it automatically connects to it, then all you need to do is just tap on the toggle like that to turn it on. And now, whenever your phone detects the network, it will be connected automatically. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.